Brain back with another Burd Cage Studio tip. Today I'm going to show you real quick how to tell if a piece of audio is mastered or not mastered just by looking at it in your recording program without even pressing play or anything. So let's get right into it. Alright, so the edges of the track, which is this part and this part, picture those as representing full volume. So this is an unmastered beat. And you will notice that there is a little bit of room between the edge of the waveform and the straight line, the edge of the track. So if that's not touching there, that means you've got headroom. That means that it is not mastered. This is an a cappella, which is just vocals, no beat, that I've imported in, and I mix it in with this beat. So as you can see, there is ample headroom here, which means this piece of audio is not mastered. Now, this piece of audio here, you'll see it's labeled master. It is a combination of the a cappella, which is the vocals, and the beat. Now this one is touching the edge of the track here. And you can see on this part right here, it's actually even squared off. Now if I zoom in a little bit, you'll see it changes as you zoom in. But from this view here, it squares off a bit at the edges. That is because it has hit the limiter, which stops things from peaking out, and it has been squashed a little bit. That is how you get things louder. So this has been mastered. You'll notice this one, the square bits are a little bit wider, and the waveform, the thickness of the main middle part here is actually fatter than this one. So it's gonna be a little bit louder and a little bit fuller. It's another version of this one, only it's been pushed a little bit harder through the limiter, which I'll explain in another video. But a limiter, long story short, is basically what allows you to get your audio loud. So in a nutshell, this is not mastered. This is mastered. You can see the difference between this and this clearly. Fatter through the middle, squared off at the edges. This one doesn't touch the edges, so it's definitely not mastered. And if you want more tips like this, you got specific questions, drop a comment below, ask me. I'll address anything if I have the knowledge. I'll keep it simple. And if you got something out of this, like, comment, subscribe, all that good shit, share it. And stay tuned for some more tips and chips. Blech. Stay tuned for more tips in the future. Peace.